In March 1888, the northeastern United States was blindsided by an unexpected blizzard, later known as the Great Blizzard of 1888. This monstrous snowstorm buried cities like New York and Boston under over 50 inches of snow, paralyzing the region. With technology limitations of the era, no moving video exists, but rare photographs and detailed reports capture stranded passengers in makeshift shelters and overwhelmed city services. The storm wreaked havoc, destroying railways and communication lines, illustrating how unprepared society was for such natural fury. This catastrophic event prompted major changes in urban infrastructure, leading to the creation of underground transportation systems, profoundly altering urban landscapes for years to come.